So this is the Ferrari SF90 Stradale Assetto Fiorano, and it's red and yellow. It probably means something, but I have no idea. So let's open it. Just take off the backdrop. So this is a Ferrari SF90. Closer up. Not bad of a red, but the red and yellow reminds me of like McDonald's or something. So let's remove the plastic off of it. And now the rubber band. So now the stuff's been removed. Let's remove the platform that's sitting on. So now with everything removed, let's take a closer look at it. So exactly why this tool is here, although this one I did get from the Lamborghini Urus from Auto Art. So let's see if we can get it open. There we go. The front, not too bad. Now the interior. Let's try to get some sunlight in there. A lot more visibility than the other ones. And a nice interior too. And just like the Ferrari XX, Revuelto, and Temerario, the steering also messes with the wheels, so that's amazing. And the wheels, and messing with the wheels also messes with the steering wheel. So, oh wait, forgot the stickers on the back. Let's get rid of those. So that is the engine bay. Nice how the engine is tucked deep in there. Beautiful looking car. Oh, and the underbit. The name of it, the scale. Not much to it, but it's still a good looking car, especially if you're looking for decoration of any kind. So this is the SF90 Stradale Assetto Fiorano in the red and yellow with the number 50 on it. Again, it probably means something, but I'm not too sure about it. If it does, let me know in the comments. But you have the beautiful red along with the yellow and black rims, black interior, and black roof, two-toned, and it doesn't look too bad. And let's just open all the doors. With all the doors open now, you can see a little more of the car, and it's just, again, another well-made car. You can't go wrong with Maisto. You got everything you need, especially if you're looking for decoration of any kind. It has all the details you would want, and again, if you want more details, like a little more of a detailed engine bay, a brighter color interior or anything, you're probably gonna have to spend a lot more money. Again, I paid 20 bucks for this, so amazing deal. And I'm not sure how much this one goes for on other stores, but I'm assuming it's like 30, 40, maybe even $50 since it's Ferrari. But not much else I could say about it, so that's about it.